That's the first Slovakian song I ever heard from a friend of mine called Mira Slovakia. What she put inside? A little bit of gunde, a little bit of Tom, and a little bit of ginger, and she is asking me a favor to stir it. Right, guys, I'm gonna stir it. Yeah. And there you go. Yeah, look at this, please. Give a small smile kiss and small. There you go, guys. Yeah, our spinach is getting ready. You can see the color. It's such a beautiful, it's such an amazing color. And we got halal keema. And, yeah, and that's a layer picture. Yeah, a layer picture from where? The place called Slovakia. That's the kitchen. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Yeah, yeah. Mirror is really moving nicely. Ooh, you can see it. Ooh. Yeah. Do a little bit of me. Turn it around the other way.
I need you to stir this.
Okay, I'm gonna stir it. Hey, stir it, baby. What did you put inside? She put everything, layer, yeah, layer. Sardiyon se